Today, the part of the Tattooed Toy Hunter will be played by the Penguin from the 1965 Adam West Batman TV show. Kevin, the Tattooed Toy Hunter, my arch nemesis for all intents and purposes, he has demanded that right now I'm at 45 subscribers. He has demanded that if I don't get up to 100 or 100 plus subscribers in 1 month, it is July 14th right now. He has demanded if I don't get up to 100 subscribers by August 15th, that these beautiful Batman figures are his. Please help keep these awesome Batman figures out of the clutches of the evil Tattooed Toy Hunter. Kevin, thank you for playing along with this, buddy. This is serious, people. I need to get up to 100 plus subscribers before August 15th, or these two awesome figures are going to be in the clutches of the Tattooed Toy Hunter by default. Like, subscribe, comment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do after I get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a random new subscriber raffle, and I'm just going to pick a name, and whoever's name is chosen, you know what, forget that. Whoever makes the most noise on my channel, that's who they're going to. But let's keep these awesome figures out of the hands of the clutches of the evil, flamboyant Tattooed Toy Hunter. Save the figures, guys. Save the figures from Kevin the Tattooed Toy Hunter. Help me get to 100 subscribers. The Uber Hulk is out. Like and subscribe. Help me, guys. I need your help. No, Kevin, you can't have them. I refuse.